Welcome back. Today is National Dentist Day, and we are joined by dentist Dr. Howard from Concierge Dental Group. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
So we got to start with the basics, because we were just in there talking about wedding cakes, and people love to eat sweets, but you got to take care of that dental hygiene, right?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. I recommend that people limit the amount of sugar that they have in a day. It helps prevent cavities, but also it's important to see your dentist regularly. You know, every 6 months is what we talk about.
Well, oral health is really connected to your overall health, right? Can you explain that?
Sure, it absolutely is. That's a good question. There's a lot of talk about how our oral health is related to our cardiovascular health, or how healthy our hearts are. Also, our oral health has to do a lot with our inflammation in our bodies. So for example, if you had gum disease, you're also prone to having higher blood sugar if you're diabetic, and that can result in tooth loss and bone and gum loss.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, it really does make a difference.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. The mouth is part of the body, so it's all related.
And tell me the relation of how healthy your smile is to your overall body.
Well, I would say this, having a nice smile not only improves our health, but also our outlook on life.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You know, today may be nationally recognized as the day for oral health, but it's an everyday focus, right?
Yeah, sure. I mean, dentists, I'd say that everybody should be brushing their teeth for 2 minutes a day and flossing. But the, oh, I forgot what we were talking.
It's okay. And talk to me a little bit about Concierge specifically. What makes you guys special and different than other dental offices?
Yeah, Concierge, as a group, we really focus on providing our patients with the highest level of care. We have a lot of technology available to us that allows us to be safer. We can also work faster, which allows me to spend more time with patients and talking to them about their needs, as opposed to just sitting there and doing dentist stuff. Mm-hmm. We also are able to do things a lot faster now, and with less pain.
Well, everyone likes that. That was my next question. Unfortunately, you dentists have a bad rep. A lot of people are scared of dentists. How do you make your patients feel comfortable with you?
Well, I think trust is a huge part of being a dentist and the relationship that we have with patients. When somebody comes to my chair and I sit down and I talk to them, I'd like to spend the time that is necessary to really get to know them and find out what their needs are. And just that level of comfort, I think, takes a lot of the pain away.
Absolutely. I think that's a really special, and like you said, that's something that makes Concierge specifically so great, that your facility allows you the time to take that with your patients, so you can kind of calm them down and really treat them for what they need. I want to talk about some things that are kind of trendy. Like, I know people use coconut oil to like do that sort of pulling. Can you explain what that is and if that's actually beneficial?
Yeah, so there are a lot of sort of alternative medicine techniques that are working their way into dentistry. Social media has a large part to do with that too. But a lot of them are techniques that were used throughout the world for many years with success. So something like oil pulling, for example, I think is a great thing, but it should be done in conjunction with, you know, the more sort of traditional dental hygiene techniques. But I do think it's great, and I always encourage my patients to, you know, if they see something and they want to try it, they should try it.
And okay, be honest, how much do we need to floss? Because I'm not a big fan of it, but you know, I do it because my dentist tells me to.
Yeah, well, this is what I tell patients. Patients who are having a really difficult time sort of building that habit, the first thing is floss before you brush, because if you floss, you're definitely going to brush afterwards.
That's true.
Also, a lot of us, we have long commutes, or maybe we're sitting at a desk working. If you could get those little floss picks and put them in a cup holder, for example, flossing at all is better than flossing not at all. So just having it available to you, hopefully, I'd like to see that translate into a more sort of habit that you're doing it every day, but it's a place to start.
What are your thoughts on water picks to floss?
Oh, water picks are great. Just make sure that you clean your mirror afterwards.
That's amazing. Yeah. Thank you so much. If you guys would like to learn more about Concierge Dental Group and their multiple locations, just head on over to their website at conciergedentalgroup.com or call 716-333-3333. That number is right there on your screen. Thank you so much, Dr. Howard, for coming in. Well, how just 500 steps a day can help your heart and how concussions can affect NFL players decades after they retire. Michael George has the day's top health stories.
Walking 500 steps a day can greatly lower the risk of heart disease and stroke for elderly people. A study by the American Heart Association found people over 70 who walked just 1/4 mile a day had a 14% lower risk of heart disease, stroke, or heart failure. While doctors say longer physical activity is recommended, the study shows even light exercise can help. A study of retired NFL players found those who experienced concussions during their careers performed worse on cognitive tests. The analysis by Mass General Brigham showed even decades after playing, the athletes scored lower on memory, attention, processing speed, and vocabulary, highlighting the long-term effects of concussions. Men with prostate cancer aren't doing enough to monitor their cancer growth. A study in JAMA Network of more than 20,000 men with low-risk cancer found active surveillance rates are rising but are still below recommended levels. Regular surveillance is critical to successful treatment.
Well, it's that time of year again for the Kids' Choice Awards on Nickelodeon, co-hosted by CBS morning anchor Nate Burleson. And as Dan Lieberman reports, it got a little messy.
Seating charts are ready, slime is prepped, and the hosts are polishing up the plan.
I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that I am keeping quiet for now.
Nate Burleson and Charlie D'Amelio will host the Kids' Choice Awards with some of America's biggest stars.
It's going to be chaotic. We have a way for kids to vote, like they can vote in real time.
Comedy icon Adam Sandler will receive the show's first ever King of Comedy Award for his career achievements. And Grammy-nominated recording artist Bebe Rexha will perform. And then there's the slime. It's a Nickelodeon specialty. So Nate, CBS Morning's co-anchors, decided to get into the spirit.
We are ready for a little slime time in the studio.
Viewers voted on social media to decide who Gayle King would slime.
The options are the very handsome Tony DeCoppel, Vlad Dutier.
The okay.
New dad.
Just okay.
This is our senior producer, Matt Shelley, and this is the lovely Jerika Duncan. Matt Shelley, have you been rallying all of your friends?
Every single person I know.
With more than 40% of the vote, Matt Shelley was the winner.
Oh, this is nasty.
What does that feel like, Matt?
And it turned out his co-workers weren't spared.
I brought some backup with me. I'm going to step out of the shot.
Backup? What do you mean backup?
Backup. Let's go, backup. Let's go.
Helping women succeed. That's exactly what our next guest aims to do. We've got Dress for Success Buffalo next with more on how they're helping women all over the 716. And keeping with our wedding week, we've got Alchemy Bar in to tell us about their facilities and why it might just be the perfect venue for your bridal shower. Keep it here, that's